Hey there. Before diving into this video, I spent some time experimenting with dense posing TikTok and Instagram dancing videos. My goal? To use new motion sequences in MagicAnimate and create a ton of amazing dancing videos for my AI influencer. Guess what? It wasn't as straightforward as I thought. I scoured YouTube for tutorials, but there was a void. So, I hit up Google, searching for AI tools capable of extracting motion sequences from any video. I found a few tools, but alas, the resulting Densepose videos were giving me a headache, upload issues, errors, you name it. But fear not, after an extensive search, I discovered the perfect solution. In this video, I'm excited to guide you step by step on how to densepose any video for MagicAnimate, unlocking the potential to create unlimited AI dancing videos. But hey, before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Why? Because in future videos, we'll explore mind-blowing AI tools that'll automate your content creation and help you generate viral faceless videos across any niche you desire. Intrigued? Let's get started. First things first, I stumbled upon this gem on GitHub called Vid2 Densepose, crafted by the wizards at Flowed Labs. This tool effortlessly converts your videos into Densepose sequences. The best part? You can use it without any installation right on Google Colab, and the link is conveniently in the description below. This tool acts as the bridge, converting your videos into a format that's MagicAnimate friendly. But hold on, there's a little magic trick to optimize and align the motion sequence with what MagicAnimate expects. Don't skip any part. This trick will make your AI influencer videos shine. Go to the link in description to open Google Colab at Vid2 Densepose tool. Then click here to install the libraries. You will get this pop-up notification. Click on Run anyway to skip this. After installation is completed, scroll down and simply upload the original video which you want to densepose by click on this upload button and choose the video. After uploading the video you want to convert, copy the file name and change the input video path with it like this. Then write here your desired name of the output file. Then click here to run the cell. If you did this steps like I did, you will got output file here and you can download it directly. In this step I will optimize the file and resize it to be able to be uploaded on MagicAnimate Platform and give me the best results when I use it to generate AI influencer videos. First you need to adjust the aspect ratio of the video to 1:1. To do this, you should upload the video to Ant video editor like CapCut or Clipchamp. Then click on this icon to choose the aspect ratio. Zoom your video in to fill all the empty space, then export it to your computer. Now, let's resize the video to the optimal scale for MagicAnimate. You can use any video resizer. I used this tool to resize the Densepose video to 512*512, which is the perfect scale to use in MagicAnimate. Now, the last step, head over to the MagicAnimate platform. Scroll down and upload your AI influencer in the reference image section, and the Densepose video in the motion sequence section. Then adjust the settings and click on Animate button. Wait for seconds and you will get your final video here. If you followed the steps diligently, you're all set to upload a new motion sequence and generate AI videos for free. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.